Hi, this is Alyssa from Jane. If you need to block off any time in your schedule, you can use Jane's break feature. This is great if you have a staff member heading off on vacation or maybe you have a weekly lunch meeting. To create a new break, click on the break button at the bottom left of the schedule. It will turn blue when it's activated. Over on the schedule, click and drag to create the length of the break. It's okay if it's not perfect here. You can adjust the start time and the end time in the edit break window. You can also add a note here so that there's more information about why the break is appearing on your schedule. And you can choose if this is a one-time break or if you'd like the break to repeat. So you can repeat a break every day with a shift or weekly. Click Save to create the break, and you should see it on your schedule like this one. When breaks are added to your schedule, they will appear as booked in online booking, and any of the notes that you've added are only visible on the administrative side of Jane. If you are trying to book in a break on the schedule and you're seeing more of a solid gray block like this one, this just means that you haven't activated the break button and you're still working within Jane's appointment mode. So you can definitely get creative with how you use breaks in Jane. A few examples I have set up here: blocking off time for a staff member that's heading away on vacation. I have a weekly recurring lunch meeting. I have Michael here who would like to book his morning before his afternoon. And breaks are even great for administrative reminders. So if you'd like, you can leave a little reminder for a staff member to send off, say, a report in the morning. At any time, if you'd like to delete or edit a break on the schedule, click on the break and you'll have the option to update the information or delete at the bottom. Okay, I hope that this has helped. If you have any questions about creating breaks in Jane, feel free to get in touch with our support team. Chat to you soon.